When a lot of people eat Mexican food, what they're really eating is Mexican American food. And those are flavors that have developed really on this side of the border. Disney is one of those places that is really a crossroads for the whole country. And I think that it's really a great opportunity for us to be able to share the flavors we've become so famous for. So we've got the classic cochinita pibil, the slow-cooked pork from the Yucatan. We've got this amazing shrimp dish that's done with slow-cooked garlic. We even have chicken with a mole sauce, the kind of national fiesta dish of Mexico. All of those things are on the menu here because we think those really best represent what we do and is what Mexico is really great with. Don't pass up the dessert here because we have that famous tres leches cake that they make all over Mexico, but we do it in a 4 leches way, a 4 leches, by adding some coconut milk.